Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Car Review, where we bring you the best of American automotive history. Today, we're looking at one of the most legendary classic cars ever built, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. A car that didn't just define an era but became an icon of American culture. The 57 Bel Air was the pinnacle of Chevrolet's Tri-Five lineup, and it had everything: bold styling, impressive performance, and a presence that still turns heads today. Just look at those unmistakable tail fins, the wide chrome grille, and the signature gold Chevrolet script on the hood. This car was all about style and class, and Chevrolet made sure it stood out from the competition. But the Bel Air wasn't just about looks, it had power under the hood too. The base models came with a 235 cubic inch inline-six, but if you wanted real performance, you could opt for the 283 cubic inch V8. With Chevrolet's optional fuel injection system, it pushed out up to 283 horsepower, an incredible number for its time. This was one of the first American cars to offer 1 horsepower per cubic inch, proving that Chevrolet was ahead of the game. Driving a 57 Bel Air is an experience like no other. The suspension was smooth, the power steering and brakes made handling easier, and whether you had the standard 3-speed manual or the Powerglide automatic, the ride was pure nostalgia. It was the kind of car you could take on a Sunday cruise or pull up to a diner and feel like a rock star. Inside, the 57 Bel Air was just as stunning. The dual-tone upholstery, wraparound windshield, and chrome-accented dashboard screamed 1950s elegance. Chevrolet designed it to be both comfortable and stylish, making it the perfect car for families and hot rodders alike. The Bel Air's impact on American car culture is undeniable. It appeared in countless movies, TV shows, and even today, it's one of the most sought-after classic cars. Restored models can fetch 6 figures at auctions, and it's easy to see why. It's a masterpiece on wheels. More than 6 decades later, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air remains a symbol of America's golden age of automobiles. Whether you're a collector, a fan of classic cars, or just someone who appreciates automotive history, the Bel Air is a car that will never be forgotten. Thanks for watching USA Car Review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more legendary American classics. See you in the next video.